my channel, PinkBeautyFox06. My name is Ashley. If it's your first time to my channel, then welcome. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to know a little bit more about this channel, as you can tell behind me, I like Barbie, My Little Pony, Disney. I do thrift store hauls. I do doll reviews. And I also like to show during the holidays, things I get from the thrift store. Everything in that genre plus more is what I like to show on this channel. I love sharing everything I find or just things I'm passionate about. If you want to know a little bit about me, I am 32 years old, I'm married, and I love dyeing my hair. I just want to be able to have a community here where we can just have fun, be ourselves, be positive, and just, show a little bit of kindness every day. So if this sounds like, a channel you want to watch, then make sure to push that subscribe button and join this beautiful Fox family. Thanks for stopping by, and make sure to stay tuned for amazing videos coming your way. Bye!